Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I am going to show you on how to fix Mobile Legends offline mode not working. So basically, when you try to play Mobile Legends, you can play it in an offline mode. So basically, it will look like this. Okay, now the factors that we have to consider why the Mobile Legends offline mode is not working, it is because of the resources. You can see here at the top left side, you can see the new and the download button. So when you click on that, you'd be able to see all of the resources that you need in order to play this online mobile game. Now, if you did not download all of the resources that you need, of course, you would not be able to play the offline mode of this game. So this is the resource download list. As you can see in my case, there are resources that I did not download yet since I am very busy and I don't have enough time to play this mobile game. So that's it. Just make sure that you are connected to a reliable internet connection when you download a resources so that you'll be able to download everything. Okay, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.